Hey guys, your marketing mentor, Scott DeSalvo here. In today's video, I thought I would talk to you about what is a customer avatar, why is it important, and why almost everybody teaches lawyers the wrong way to use it. So the idea of customer avatar is really old. It's been in marketing, direct response marketing circles for a really long time. As far as I can tell from the things I've studied, it is at least 50, 60 years old. And it's something that a lot of direct response marketers learn, and it's what they teach a lot of lawyers to do, right? Except they teach it the wrong way. So the idea, what is a customer avatar? A customer avatar is basically what they want you to do is identify the exact type of client or customer that you want to work with. And some of them get into ridiculous detail, right? So it's not just, what they would do is they would say identify your customer avatar, and you'd say people who have been injured in an accident if you're an injury lawyer. Well, they would immediately jump on you and say that's too vague. It's too vague. You're never gonna get anywhere. You need to be very, very detailed. I want to know whether it's a man or a woman, and whether they're 30 to 35 years old, or 40 to 50 years old, or 18 to 24, and I want to know if they're right-handed and blonde, or left-handed and brunette, or red-haired. They want you to get into ridiculous detail. And the problem is, there's in direct marketing circles, if you've studied direct marketing under Dan Kennedy at all, read any of his books, you've probably heard a saying, which is business owners hear what Dan Kennedy has to teach and they say, oh, but my business is different. And then they make fun of the business owner for saying their business is different. But I'm here to tell you, once you understand guys like Dan Kennedy and Jay Abraham and all these other legends in direct response marketing, once you know their marketing, what you come to discover is not all businesses are completely the same, right? It's true that the general marketing principles that you can learn are important and they're valid, but it's sort of like you have to learn the rules before you can know when to break them, right? So I'm here to tell you for a fact, I've been doing this for more than 20 years, if you build your customer avatar that way, or sometimes they don't even call it making a customer avatar. And the point behind the customer avatar is that you can target your marketing message and communication to the exact person with the exact problem that you're looking for, who you want to become involved or hire your firm, right, for legal services. The problem with doing that is I see guys sub-niche their firm far too much, right? So, there's guys out there saying that you need to cater to left-handed, bald construction workers that were injured on Tuesday afternoon. I'm going to tell you, I've been doing this for a long time, and I think you are leaving a tremendous amount of money on the table if you follow that kind of advice. It is horrible advice. And we know it's horrible advice, well, based on my personal experience, but also based on these law firms who have existed for a really long time, and they don't do that. And yet, they're able to convince people hurt in a car crash, hurt on premises, hurt at work, attacked in a dog bite case. They're able to generate tons of business like I do in my firm without sub-niching like that, right? So if you sub-niche, it may be true that if your marketing is otherwise good, people respond to it better. But my God, I make so much money every year because I get a variety of cases. And if it's stuff I don't handle or I don't want to handle, guess what? As attorneys, we can refer that business out and collect referral fees on it. So, there's no such thing as a bad case. If you're looking, if your law firm needs business and you're trying to bring more business into your law firm, there's no such thing as a bad case. And I think the advice that you need to sub-niche and identify this super rare avatar, especially if you're in a big market with a high population, I think it's terrible advice. I was able to figure out the right way to use a customer avatar to generate lots and lots of business. And that's the right way to do it. And sub-niching down and limiting your message to a, super particular kind of person who is hurt in a super particular kind of way is not the right way to do it. You're actually taking money off the table, and you're going to sign up fewer clients than, you otherwise could. And the name of the game is PI, and all injury is a numbers game. The more cases, the more clients you sign up, the more money you're going to make. And that's pretty much immutable. Now, there are exceptions. There are times when the traditional way that they teach you to build and use a customer avatar can actually work out for you. So let's say, for example, you just want to do car crash cases. Well, there's a way that you can use a more traditional customer avatar to build your firm around that. Or, for example, there's a divorce lawyer in Chicago who is a men's rights advocate in divorce, right? He niches and primarily targets men with custody issues who aren't being treated fairly by the court. But when you really do the math on what he's doing, he's niching his practice, but he is not sub-niching the way a lot of guys are teaching it. So, you can do it based on topic area, you can do it based on some identifiable attributes, but sub-niching the way it's being taught by virtually everyone who's giving legal marketing advice is not the right way to do it. So be careful before you sub-niche your business out of business. So thanks for watching. I hope the information helped you. Have a great day. If I can be of assistance, give me a holler or order a copy of my course where I prove my bona fides. I'm basically giving away a strategy that delivers clients to you super cheap within 24 hours. It takes an hour to set up, and other than that, within 24 hours, you're going to have people contacting you seeking your services. So the product is called Quick Law Clients from Facebook Unleashed. And I'll try and leave a button or something around there, but you can definitely find it on my website, lawclientsrightnow.com. That's lawclientsrightnow.com. lawclientsrightnow.com. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.